Hey guys, this is Super Ultra Gamer here, and this Christmas I got a TV. And today I will be hooking it up on YouTube. Alright. Let's get started. Alright, so I have my TV remote set, and the cable cord. And now, the glory of this big TV. This thing is huge, guys. Well, this is actually my first TV because my sister let me borrow her TV, but it wasn't really mine. So, oh yeah, I'm currently using YouTube Capture. Alright, so let's read the instructions. I hate instructions. So I have plugged it up and everything. Let's see if it works. Turn on. Oh. Welcome. Thank you for choosing. Ah! Oh, what do I do, guys? It didn't come with another remote, so next. Alright, goodbye everyone.